Welcome to Revive Medical Technologies, the heart of innovation and progress, nestled in the industrial hub of Rawat, Islamabad. Our R&D and contract manufacturing facility at RMT spans 45,000 square feet, purpose-built across 3 levels: basement, ground floor, and first floor. The basement serves as our dedicated vehicle bay. The ground floor is our innovation hub, where technology comes to life. The experience begins at our reception, leading towards our meeting room and tech corridor. The tech corridor consists of diverse R&D labs and ISO-certified production halls. The design and fabrication lab is equipped for design, prototyping, and product development. Here we do 3D designing and prototyping, PCB design and fabrication, and electronics testing. The Biomaterials and Drug Synthesis lab is utilized for development of pharmaceutical formulations, coating solutions, and drug vehicles. The software lab is operated for the development and testing of intelligent solutions, including generative AI, neural networks, interface engineering, DevOps, and SQA. Next in the tech corridor are the ISO-certified production halls, featuring ISO Class 5, 7, and 8 clean rooms, equipped for manufacturing, assembly, and packaging. The goal is to foster a culture where every requirement is met within the RMT facility, from an activity room to refuel creativity to a dining hall that restores energy. Managerial staff have been provided dedicated offices to ensure focus and maintain workflow efficiency. Leadership drives impact from the executive corridor, home to all C-level executives, including the CEO's office and the boardroom. This is more than a workplace. It's a hub of vision, purpose, and growth.